Good morning everyone. Today we have Air Tower 26. It's a KAESER 15 kilowatts screw air compressor. It's basically SK26 unit with TU26 air dryer below. The air dryer is currently working now and it's in green zone. This compressor is very well built. This particular machine has 21,000 hours in total and only 50,000 hours under load. The statistics for this machine are very great. The air dryer is working now. There's 6.3 bars currently in the system. The compressor is connected to the 750 liters air receiver. Let's see that 6 bars. So let's check the outside of the machine. There's the air dryer working. This machine is well known for its perfectly clean air. So on the exit here from the air coolant, you have a 0.03 microns KAESER filter with one echo drain device, which goes here, input to TU26 air dryer, and there below you have, on that low point, you have another echo drain device. So this machine is built for perfectly clean air. And on the exit of the system you got this, and that's the connection to the air receiver. So we will start this compressor and see how it builds pressure. This compressor is up to 10 bars. Let's check status for maintenance. It's almost 3,000 hours until regular maintenance, so it's regularly serviced compressor. It's 8.5 bars in the system now. The air dryer works really well. As you can see, it's in green zone. Let's check the echo drain. Let's test it manually. The echo drain works fine. We have here the exit valve if you need for one more push hose. So it's 10 bars. Let's check the air receiver. 10.1. Yeah, 10.3. It's 82 degrees. This machine works very well. Don't miss this item. Thank you and good luck on your bids.